Okay, we are in room 425. Now, we've been here a couple of days, so you might see some of our stuff, but we try to keep it up so they don't have to move anything. But there's a mirror, full-fledged mirror as soon as you come in, and we have an atrium room in front of the door. As soon as you come in on your right of 425 anyway, is a shelf, an ironing board, and room for your clothes and luggage. Just beyond that is a little mini bar. This coffee maker was below, but we pulled it up here, and picture there. Here you have a safe, a refrigerator. I don't know what that's for. Places for you to put stuff, I guess. And then you have cake cups and teas and cups. You get 2 free bottles of water every day. And then there's a bathroom. So we booked this room and asked for a tub, but I guess the newly remodeled rooms don't have tubs. Now, the reason for that was because I knew that I would want to soak at the end of the day, so I've not been able to do that. They have soaps, this big lighted mirror, and you don't really need to bring shampoo and conditioner and stuff if you don't want to. I thought it was very nice stuff. Then you'll have one of these little benches, a light in the corner, nightstand there. This is a pretty nice size TV that can be seen easily from, we have a room that has 2 beds in it. Notice that the floors are now laminate, and you have a little carpet piece that goes under the beds. When you walk toward the bed, lights come on down here so that you can see what you're doing in the night without, busting your toe or anything like that. You got a phone, analog alarm clock. On the side, you have USBs. There's 2 of them, and 2 plugs and a USB. I'm assuming on this side too. Yeah. Then you have this table and chairs. That's over here. Now this is an atrium room, view room. So here is the atrium. And you probably heard noise. That is construction going on. And yeah, jackhammers. At what time did you think they started this morning, honey? 8 a.m. Well, yeah, 8 a.m. for sure. There's a restaurant convenient right down there. It's called Cure Bar and Bistro. We might try it tonight and get a cheeseburger, but the kinds of foods they have there aren't they're sophisticated kinds of food that we don't typically eat. $33 per head is what it's going to cost you to gain access to the buffet of breakfast stuff, which is not this restaurant. It's down a lower level from here, and I'm just telling you about the buffet, but you can actually see it if you want, because I found a video that's just a couple of years old, and I linked it below so that you can see a tour of the whole hotel, showing you, really nice views of the atrium and what all the hotel has to offer. I just wanted to throw this video up here really quick in case somebody was looking for a remodeled room in this hotel and to see what it would look like. I didn't film the rest of the hotel. It's actually a very nice looking hotel. Now if you don't have a problem walking a few blocks, there's a McDonald's pretty close by that you could go to. But there you go. That is room tour for the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Washington, D.C.